Nakita ni Papa to pero yung sinilas mo. It's better.
Mainit na.
It's better. And if I buy them, I don't need to.
Then you until 11.
Mami, salamat mami.
Then you until 11.
Ano lang naman ng live ko hanggang makarating doon.
No, it's very bad.
Idol Aids from Lamihos.
Kasi na magkakapit niyan.
I
Marami
asked
kayo.
also Leslie, she didn't know my duty. She said, ask Miss Alice. So, it's good, Miss Alice didn't wake up last night.
Until what time you did?
10.
Your duty until that?
Yeah.
Oh, how I come with you?
But,
I still have that one. Maybe my tapo na niya.
yeah, I told you until 11. We didn't check the booking. You see what time is
See,
it?
I don't have time to eat. That's why
Why you
I
didn't
See,
eat today?
I eat already now. Because until maybe,
Long time, very long.
yeah, until 6 or 5.
Yeah.
Party pala in the house. Shout out.
Yeah, congratulations.
Mami, salamat sa pagtambay niyo dyan.
When I saw her in the night, because thank Dumain and send me message now. That I'm still I go to like I try to like sleeping, but because my mind is in the cooking
Me
stuff.
also, I cannot sleep properly last night because I was thinking maybe I cannot wake up, no?
Yeah, me also. And until 11 I'm waiting. I said, oh, now nobody's having me. And after again in the morning I wake up, I on the
Pasukin mo na siya dyan. Mahulihan siya. Dapat ikaw sa unahan. Sa Amods to, oh. Dapat ikaw nauna. Sa Amods yan, eh. Siya, mauna siya bababa. Tumayo na lang kayo.
Di ba una to, tayo lilipat ako pagkalabas.
Ah, o pala. Oo. Like angry. Tatawa tuloy siya.
Maybe from the morning at 4 or 5 times I already checked my books. How I manage?
Why she don't put in the PDF rather than like that? It's not there.
Take picture like that.
Yeah.
Maybe she's also late now. 11, 17 she said.
Mami, wala akong... Kaunti lang views ko kagabi, Mami. 300 lang.
Tomorrow, busy.
Walang nanood, Mami, kahapon. Hindi viral. 300 plus lang.
I have only maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour for eating or it's around 6.
Reception don't know how to book. Just only booking. No? They did not check for the break of the staff. Maybe also in either.
Nails na.
Yeah.
Before yesterday, I counted my sales. Yesterday night, today morning, I also count like, I said, oh, okay, no need to after going because my payment is fully kalas in 2 days.
Dito kami sa intayan ng transport. Ayan, daming sasakyan. Alis na kami.
Saya also have booking, no? Saya.
Dumating na yung maneho namin.
She have a booking nails also.
Parang tinatamad maglakad tong naka-blue.